Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Trucking with Bones and the Paperwork Princess, along with Harley and Doggo, where we talk about everything from car hauling to life on the road, from cranky brokers to entitled customers. Thank you for joining us on this journey we call life. All right, here we go. All right, coming to you live from Alaska. Well, not quite, but I think we're second cousins. We're in Colorado Springs.
It's cold.
I don't know what the temperature is, but let's check with our forecaster. What's the temperature here?
Cold.
Cold. Trust me, cold. There's heavy snow in the forecast for the next 3 days, and we have to go up and over I-70 to Grand Junction, so that's going to be fun. It's not bad. It's only 28 degrees. I'm a wuss, I guess, especially when it comes to cold weather. And I'm so sore from last night's workout. That little girly looking workout kicked my butt. It did. But as you can see, I am prepared. I have my best friend with me, my furry best friend, right here. And it's actually really nice. Whew, this Mercedes sounds horrible. No parking right around the corner where it delivers, so we parked here in this currently vacant parking lot where we're gonna unload. Well, we're at it again. This is our third stop. We got 4 off, 3 to go. So this time we're offloading that one and that one at the Chevy dealer. We're in Colorado Springs at the moment, and we'll be running up to Denver to offload this Mercedes. Then we're doing some reloading, and then we're going to be heading up over I-70 in the middle of a snowstorm to Grand Junction.
He means worse.
Worse, better. Denver, Colorado. Look at all that nastiness. Ice everywhere. Look at it shining on the side of the trailer. So we're here to pick up this INOPS Bronco that we hope has brakes.
I don't think there is.
But the block of wood in front of it kind of makes you think it might not have brakes. So, let's see. Whoop, all the way to the floor. Ain't that just lovely? Yeah, lovely. Well, on the other hand though, the parking brake seems like it may work, so if it does,
move the block of wood and see if it rolls.
if it does, we're all good. Well, we're gonna get the ramps out and get set up. All right, as you can see, we've got the Bronco loaded. Probably took us at least 15 minutes since we had to winch it on instead of our normal 7 to 10, but it's loaded. And now we are out here in this beautiful Colorado snowy weather. 24 brisk debris. And we have all 4 of these beautiful old inoperable vehicles to load, including this cute little Mini Cooper. Check that out. All of those go on that trailer. And I know it's a little bit fuzzy. That's because the lens on my camera is getting a little damp out here in this 24-degree snow. I do a whole lot more filming, but my gloves are wet, my hands are cold. Once again, it's 24 degrees, and as you can see, we've got 2 Mustangs already loaded. We're loading the little Datsun, and then we've got the little Mini to go. The winch is working beautifully. Check out this little thing, guys. Paperwork Princess is sitting there trying to figure out how to get the key to unlock the steering wheel, and it doesn't want to do it. And that's a bit of a problem. This thing's so tiny.
I don't understand why so many keys go in, but none of them do anything. Like 8 keys have gone in here, and not a single one of them does anything.
Guys, this is the beauty of a winch. I'm not controlling it. She's controlling the winch at the same time that she's steering the car and bringing it up on the trailer. Come this way just a little bit.
Can you see the other side?
Yes, come this way like 4 inches or better. Come on over this way some.
It's tired. Can I straighten up here?
Yep. Just about where you are. Straight on up. Look how nicely a winch loads a vehicle. Of course, this is super easy. This thing's not much bigger than a go-kart. Right there. That's good.
Keep right to Colorado 95 North, then take the first left.
Well, guys, it is a nasty wet evening out here. We've managed to get 5 different vehicles loaded here in the Denver area, all in the snow, and all of them are INOPS. So every last one of them was loaded with the winch. It's not fun, but it doesn't take that much longer, especially when you have 2 people doing it. But one person can do it with the remote winch fob that we have. So it just makes it a little easier with 2 people, a little bit faster.
In 3 miles, take the exit.
She just ran out of all 4 of them. Well, that was no fun.
Ran out of all 4.
Kicked them right off. What up, y'all? Well, as you can see, we got a little bit of this white stuff all over the place this morning, including coming down my collar right now. So anyway, so I got to get this trailer adjusted. Paperwork Princess is on her way inside. We're going to see if we can slip us a Tahoe up there into the belly position without having to rearrange this trailer, because everything on it is a non-runner. We loaded everything with a winch. So anyway, I'm going to get set up while she's inside and hope that it fits nicely. Here's an idea how much snow we got last night while we were sleeping. Looks like 5 inches, maybe 6 inches, somewhere in there. And the fun thing about today is it's still snowing. We have to go from Denver to Grand Junction in the middle of a snowstorm, which means going up and over the Rockies. So y'all hang on, that should be interesting. That's probably gonna mean snow chains. Fun stuff. Well, there's our vehicle.
Go over there, and when I hit the button, the mirrors need help folding. They're supposed to be automatic.
A little too much snow and ice. All right.
Mine needed help. Yours didn't. That needs to go up higher. All the way up.
So, this is how you get out of a vehicle when there's not enough room to open the doors. It's our stowaway.
Hello. This is gonna be cold.
Alrighty guys, check that out. Full-size Chevy Tahoe in the number 6 spot. But I do have cars on top, but I'm just right at. Hey guys, y'all want to see a very beautiful sight? Check this out. Hi there. No, it's not me. I know, you're disappointed. But look at this. Look at all that nastiness on those pretty old cars. Tahoe. I gotta raise the top a little bit. But we're gonna try using tire pockets on this one and see what it does for us. Number 5 going up. And I think that'll do it. Ooh, look at all that nastiness. Back around here where she can see me. On a spotter. We're that close to the other car. Tire pockets aren't going to work.
Do we need them?
I don't think so. In fact, go ahead and back up a little bit.
Remember that I have to be able to get out.
Yeah, you'll get out the back door just fine. You won't get out the front door where it's at either.